What's up guys? In this video I will show you how to use your phone VPN on TV. So if you want to be able to use the VPN that is already protecting your phone on any TV you have, by the end of this video I will show you how to connect your VPN from your phone to any TV and still be able to protect your TV using the same VPN. Now over here I have an Android smart TV, but it doesn't matter the type or brand of TV you have. By the end of this video, you should be able to connect your VPN from your phone to any TV at all. And to do this, first things first, you want to come over to your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. On your phone, basically you want to head over to the Google Play Store or App Store, and then you want to go ahead and search and download the app known as Every Proxy. So just go ahead and search for Every Proxy, and then make sure you download and install this Every Proxy app over here from the Google Play Store. Once it is downloaded and installed, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the app directly from here, and then you want to make sure you turn on HTTP proxy. So just turn it on just like so, and then make sure you go ahead and turn on your hotspot so that your TV can now connect to your hotspot. Basically what you want to do is to scroll down and then make sure you turn on hotspot on your mobile phone so that your TV can connect to it. My hotspot is currently turned on, and then under the set portable hotspot, I can literally see my hotspot name and my hotspot password over here. So I'll go ahead and make sure my TV is connected to that same hotspot. And on my TV over here, I'll just scroll over to where I have the Wi-Fi settings. And then under the Wi-Fi settings over here, you want to make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on. And then make sure you also connect to your phone hotspot. You can literally see mine is already connected because I have connected to my phone hotspot previously. And now coming back to your phone, if you do not already have your VPN app, then you can go ahead and download and install any VPN app you want to use or you prefer to use on your phone. In my case, I am basically using the Proton VPN app. You can literally see it over here. It has a free version actually and a paid version. Currently I'm using the free version, and I'm currently being connected to the Netherlands. You can literally see I can disconnect it over here if I want. So currently the Proton VPN is actually being activated on my phone. Now once your VPN is turned on and currently being activated on your phone, what you want to do next is to go over to the Every Proxy app. You can literally see the app over here. Now on your Every Proxy app, you want to go ahead and click on this acceleration icon at the top of the HTTP proxy over here. Just click on it and you're going to see some information over here. You just want to take note of all of the information over here. You can just screenshot this if you want, and then come back to your TV. And on your TV, you want to head over to the Wi-Fi or network settings, and then if you've already connected to your hotspot network, you just want to go ahead and select that particular hotspot network, and then scroll down to where you have the proxy settings over here. Go ahead and click on proxy settings, and then scroll down and click on manual. Now you want to go ahead and enter the same IP address that was given to you by the Every Proxy app. So you want to go back and then enter the same IP address we actually saw over here on the Every Proxy app. I'll go ahead and enter mine. You can literally see this number at the bottom over here, the 129. Just go ahead and enter that inside of the input field. And once you're done entering the IP address, you want to go ahead and click on the enter button over here. Now for the port number, it is actually the same with what Every Proxy app give us, which is actually 8080. So I'll just go ahead and click on the enter button over here. And then lastly, for the bypass proxy 4, you can just skip this or just click on the enter button over here. Now automatically this will be saved, and once this is done, your TV will start using the same VPN that is protected by your phone. So you can go ahead and start watching content, and this will work perfectly well for you. And finally, one thing you might actually notice is the fact that not all applications will work with the Every Proxy IP address that has been connected to your TV. In my case, my YouTube application and other streaming application actually worked properly well, but I actually did have issues with my Google Play Store app opening. But I've noticed that for some persons, their Google Play Store will work and some applications may not work. So you just want to go ahead and try it out and see whether it will work for that particular streaming application you want to use on your TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.